Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add a featured section to your YouTube channel on your PC. Adding a featured section is a great way to showcase specific content or playlists on your channel's homepage. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Launch YouTube Studio on your PC by navigating to studio.youtube.com. Step 2. Click on Customization. Once you're in YouTube Studio, locate and click on the Customization tab in the left-hand menu. Step 3. Scroll down to Featured Section. Scroll down the customization options until you find the Featured Section area. Step 4. Click Add Section. To add a featured section, simply click on the Add Section button. That's it. You've successfully added a featured section to your YouTube channel. Now you can showcase your favorite content or playlists for your viewers to discover. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.